Hello guys, welcome back. This is Amos and welcome back to the another video. Today we're gonna honestly unbox and review this Stone 1400 mini Bluetooth speaker. So without wasting further time, let's get into the video. Okay, while unboxing the Stone, so there are some specifications around the product, and this has power packed 2000 mAh of battery, which gives up to 6 hours of battery backup, and it supports truly wireless connectivity. It has a Bluetooth version 4.2 and it has IPX5 water resistance, and it has a Type-C charging point, easy access integrated controls. It has an 18 watts of powerful dynamic driver and a quick sound switch indoor and outdoor modes, and it has an aux USB compatibility and a smart memory, volume and mode. And that's all the specifications mentioned around the product. I will unbox the product. At the top we have our product manual, so if you are having any issues with the speaker, you can get into the manual. And here we have a 1 year limited warranty card, and what else, and we have a small brochure of both products and with their brand ambassadors. That's all. And then we have a pack of Type-C USB charging cable and an aux cable, and then we have our Bluetooth speaker. Let's take it out. These all are the series that we get in the box, and here is our Stone 1400 mini Bluetooth speaker. And let's go over through of the Bluetooth speaker. At the front of the speaker we have an 18 watts of bass speaker, and at the top we have an 4 control easy access control buttons, and we have a mic and 2 LED indicators. We have an 2 shielded for the bass protection. So under this there is a bass woofer, and at the down we have 2 footstep pads to firmly hold the speaker in the ground or in the table, any surface, without any shaking. At the back we have a port, USB port, aux inserting port, Type-C charging point, and at the back we have a rugged texture which gives some rugged look for the Bluetooth speaker. And at the top we have a folding strap, which is a good, while we can easily carry wherever we want to travel. And this speaker is completely of black matte finish, and there are 2 tweeting woofers it's placed. Now let's power on the speaker.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana.
Okay, so speaker is turned on.
Your device is ready to pair.
Now just turn on the Bluetooth on your Bluetooth device, search for the Stone 1400 mini. Here it shows Stone 1400 mini. Just click on it and it automatically pairs with your device. And here are some audio samples for you. And these are the audio samples that you heard from the Bolt Stone 1400 Mini. If you are a bass lover, this 1400 Mini speaker is really producing a rich and crispier booming bass. I really love the bass in this speaker, and even the tweeting woofers, which gives a good dynamic sounds. And the best part about this speaker is a powerful, packed, rich bass, and the battery life of the speaker, 2000 milliampere of inbuilt battery in it, which gives around 6 hours of playback time. But when you play at the medium level of volume, it almost comes around 6 to 8 hours, which I have tested it, and the mids, highs, everything's are good, and the treble is also good, and the voice whichever we get from this speaker, it's really crisper. There is no any distortions. This speaker as an additional mic also, it is not noise cancellation, but it does the best job. This speaker is a top notch at this price, and if you want to buy this Bluetooth speaker, I will leave link down in the description. Please check it out. And if you have any further questions or any query about this Bluetooth speaker, leave down your questions in the comment sections. Even you can follow me in the Instagram. My Insta ID is placed in the description, and I will try to answer your questions as soon as possible. I think I have covered up everything, and that's all for now, guys. And signing off here, your Amos, and see you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.